In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an Affirm card. If you've been curious about a simple way to shop now and pay over time, this walkthrough will guide you from download to approval so you know exactly what to expect before you start. First, grab the Affirm app from your device's app store, search for the official Affirm app, check that it's published by the legitimate developer, and download it over a secure internet connection. Keeping your phone's operating system up to date can help the app run smoothly and prevent hiccups during setup. Once the app is installed, open it and either create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're new to Affirm, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile, use accurate details and a secure login. If you're returning, simply sign in and make sure your account information is current so everything matches when you apply. Inside the app, look for the option to apply for the Affirm card. You'll typically see it featured on the home screen or within the card section. Tap through to start the application. Everything happens right in the app, so there's no need to switch to a browser or fill out long forms elsewhere. Next, enter your personal information as requested, such as your name, phone number, and other basic details. Take a moment to double-check spellings and that your information matches your legal records. Accurate info helps avoid delays and ensures you receive important notifications related to your card. After you submit your details, Affirm will run a quick eligibility check. This is usually a soft inquiry and doesn't affect your credit score at this stage. The review typically takes just a moment. If additional confirmation is needed, simply follow the prompts in the app. If you don't get approved immediately, don't worry, eligibility can change over time. Once you're approved, your Affirm card will appear in the app, ready to access and manage. You can view your card information, keep an eye on your spending, and monitor upcoming payments all in one place. Pay special attention to your payment schedule and terms so you're clear on due dates and any associated costs. That's it, your Affirm card is ready to use. You can now shop with participating merchants and choose flexible payment options that fit your budget. For the best experience, review the plan details before you confirm a purchase, make payments on time, and keep your app updated so you always have the latest features and security enhancements.